Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So, today I have some Darkness Ablaze packs from Dollar General. So, but they're not dollar packs. So, I actually bought 4 originally, and off camera I opened 2. And of course, when I'm off camera, I pull a Houndoom V. So hopefully, on camera, I can pull a couple Vs. So here we go. We'll start with the whatever this is. I know that this is Charizard, so we'll do Charizard last. Every single one has that Charizard pack artwork on the inside, which hopefully that's good luck. We'll see. Okay, so we have Fighting Energy, Glimwood Tangle, I don't know how to say that, Rare Fossil, Larvitar, Golett, Phoebus, Purloin, Hippopotas, a Reverse Hollow Delcatty. Oh my god! What? What? Whoa! How? I just put a Vmax on camera. What? That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. A Scorch Vmax. Oh. Sorry, I just stopped the video by accident, but oh my gosh. What? On our first pack, we pull a Scorch Vmax. This is my first ever Vmax. That's crazy. So now we're up with the Charizard pack artwork last. Oh, this time we have a different pack artwork. What? That was crazy. We did it. We pulled a VMAX. I mean, that wasn't really a goal. I wasn't expecting that, as you could clearly tell. I've never had that happen to me. Okay, well, Electric Energy, Piers, Vanillish, ooh, Clang, Phoebus, Purloin, Hippopotas, this is kind of Sentret, Larvesta, a Reverse Hollow Glork, and a Mimikyu. Okay. Scorch Vmax. And a Houndoom V. These are the pulls of the video. These are packs I found at Dollar General. I don't think we're ever gonna have a Pokemon opening that went as well as this one did. I know that this was like kind of a quick video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching. I don't have any words. It's just, when you pull something like this, you gotta process. Take some time to process it. Wow. Okay, well, not gonna waste any more of your time. Hope you all have an amazing day. Goodbye.